Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
So next move to design. And in design, I don't know what should I say. It's look awkward. I already told you. What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel over here. And today I'm going to talk about a Samsung Galaxy Bird Live. And I don't know the reason why they put the word live in the Samsung Galaxy Bird. Let's just quit this part and just go for the unboxing thing. They give a simple retail box in which they give you USB A to USB C fast charging cable or charging cable, and the silicone wingtips and itself earbud. Of course the earbuds are important. So after that I will say the design is little bit look awkward. I don't know why they are. If you see the earbud, it look like it's making some kind of face and emoji. I don't know what is the reason behind it, but it's cute. It's cute, but it's a little bit awkward. That face is awkward, by the way. It just creeped me out sometime. But its design is, I don't like the color actually. I only like the black color and white. In my opinion, they should give a red color and a white color. They have already white, but the red color, a purple. The purple one was the best, but why they choose the mastic, that gold one and something. So first of all, the next thing, a features about the Samsung Galaxy Bird Live. So to be honest, it's connect every operating system, a PCs, an Android, and iOS. But let me tell you one thing: if you're using the Galaxy phone, you're the luckiest person in the world. To be honest, because the Samsung Galaxy Bird give you quick prompt when you're using the Galaxy phone. But if you are using that, what do you know? What I mean, iPhone. If you are using the iPhone, then you need to bang your head and start the Bluetooth on, then the manual kind of stuff to connect that Samsung Galaxy Bird Live to the iOS operating system. I mean the iPhone. So that's it. So first of all, I'm going to talk about that's the design. So next move to design. And in design, I don't know what should I say. It's look awkward. I already told you, but it's even smaller compared to that Apple AirPod Pro, Apple AirPod Pro, and Apple AirPod second generation. It's cute. It's fine. You can fit in the pocket whenever you will go outside, and no one will know about that you're carrying this kind of stuff, which is precious, by the way, from the Samsung Galaxy Bird. You don't need to show off. Now we move to the battery life. And to be honest, in Samsung Galaxy Bird Life, they have 500 mAh battery in the Samsung Galaxy Bird Life case, and in the birds, they have 60 mAh battery. So Samsung claimed that it will give you 5.5 hours, but if you use it really to the 100% volume, it will give you only around 5 hours. But that's pretty decent, pretty much, because of that 100% volume you are using. Then it's enough. So next move to sound quality. And in sound quality, if you see the loudness, it's similar to the Apple AirPod Pro, so it's better. And they also have the active noise cancellation, and the features is like you can use it wireless charging. You can use wireless charging also, so that's a great feature. And also use the USB A charging cable to charge the Samsung Galaxy Bird Live case. So that are the features. So if you are using, to be honest, so in the final, should you buy Samsung Galaxy Bird Live? If you are using Samsung Galaxy phones, you should be. Or if you are using any Android phones, you should be. But if you are using an iPhone, you just need to subscribe my channel. I'm just kidding, but subscribe my channel. But to be honest, if you're using iPhone, I don't think so you should go for the Samsung Galaxy Bird Live. You should go for Apple AirPod Pro, or you should go for Apple AirPod second generation or the first generation, whatever you like. So those who are using Galaxy phone, use it if you want to. So if you are using Samsung Galaxy Bird Live and you are watching that video from my channel, then subscribe to my channel and click that that red button, just click on it. We will get to know about Samsung Galaxy Bird Life more and more videos from me. So stay tuned and stay happy, and see you next time.